Hello students, Mr. Young here with our student government joke thread. I've got a little instructional video for you. So there's a couple ways to post jokes. I'm sure at this point you've read the directions, you know the rules. So I've got a joke here. I'm gonna go down to the reply here. I have a pirate joke. Now, I've got some tips for you. Number one, make it a little bigger so it's easier to read. My joke is, why do pirates always have trouble with the alphabet? Remember, they're questions, so put question marks in there. Now, for the answer. I don't want to just put it there. I want you to think about it for a second. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say answer, if I can spell it right, semicolon, and then I'm going to put the answer. They could get stuck at sea for weeks. Get it? Get it? But here's the trick. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this text white so you can't see the answer unless you highlight it with your mouse. See? Now when I hit post, you can see the joke and go, oh, the answer's here. Highlight it. Now you can see it, but only when you highlight it. Little thing I'm going to do. It's a good idea. Now, I'm going to post another joke, but this one's a picture where I have it pulled up already. There it is. So I found this cool picture joke I like. Why did the banana go to the doctor? He wasn't peeling well. Simple pun joke. I'm going to right-click on that. Right here it says, copy image address. You're going to do that one. I'm going to go to the thread. I'm going to post in there. I'm going to find this little picture right here. I'm going to center it because I like to keep things symmetric. Click on the picture, and then I'm going to just paste that URL that I copied from before. See? Copy image address. Now it's in the computer. All you have to do is go here and hit paste, or Control V is the hotkey for that. It's in there. Now you want to adjust the size. Don't make it too big, too small. I found that 300 is usually a pretty good size. Then post. There you go. Now Mr. Young has two jokes in there. I like this trick. And now you know how to post the picture jokes as well. That's it for now. I'll be policing the thread. And if I see anything I don't like, I'll just delete it. And if you shoot me a message and ask why, I'll tell you why. But it's probably not going to get back up. That's it. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the joke thread.